Okay guys, welcome to the workshop. Today's project, the old garden cart needs some TLC. I plan to build a new one for a long time now and just never found the time. This thing has two problems. It's got flat tire, I think the tube is done, and the legs. This here stuff is like paper. It's so thin. It's very hard to work with. When I put the top, I replaced the top. Oh, that's about 2 years ago now, I guess. And yeah, it didn't go well. I had just got my welding machine. I didn't know what I was doing. This stuff is paper thin. Should not be welded with stick. It wasn't easy, but you know. It held up. It's a couple years. It's done a lot of work. But now the feet are rusted out. I guess you could see. Here on this side. So I'll replace both of these. I'll use square tube this time. I was going to get all fancy and because this is going to be square now. I was going to 45 everything and put it together. It's not needed for this cart. I'm just going to do square ends. Weld it up. Welding onto here might be interesting, but we'll make it happen. I got a big hammer. Shouldn't be too bad. The hardest part is going to be getting this one off, and that shouldn't be too hard, I think. And then take the tire apart. Poor old garden cart. Ta-da! Okay, here's the leg. I'm not going to put this part back on. It's just going to be straight down here, the foot, and this one. If I wanted to make it stronger, I would put a 45 piece in here. I don't think it's needed personally. The steel I'm using is twice as thick as this stuff. It's still really thin, but you know, this is paper. This is terrible stuff. You get what you pay for, right? Now this don't have to be exactly the same length. I'm going to put it together on the cart, not make it and then put it together. I'm going to make the foot 8 inches. And then this one, I'll wait. Look at that, shiny now. It's just propped up there on the wheels and one piece of pipe. But that's her, she's done. I decided to paint it, make it look a little bit better. Still got a flat tire. I need to pull the tube out. But I need to wait for the paint to dry so I can take the cart down and get the tire out. But that's it, she's done. I'd say as good as new, but I'd say it's a whole lot better than new. And even better than when I fixed it the last time. I should have just built a new one when I started, because it's half new as it is right now. Alright guys, well that's it. Another project done. As always, thanks for watching.